Hey, what is up YouTube? How are you guys doing today? Thank you guys so much for joining me. My name is Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. And welcome to Microphone Mondays, where I am uploading new microphone reviews every Monday. And today what I have for you guys is a comparison of two XLR microphones. One, the TONOR TC20, and two, the MAONO AU-PM320S. So obviously I've already unboxed these microphones. I have done individual reviews of each of these microphones in the past. So if you do want to see the unboxings, I'll have the links to the original reviews I did of these microphones down in the description below. And just real quick, if you guys decide at any moment during this video that you actually like this video, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and hit that like button. And if you're interested at all in seeing more videos by me in the future, you're gonna want to make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button, and let us continue. So if you look at the Amazon pages for these two microphones, the TONOR TC20 goes for $59.99, comes with free shipping and free returns, and the MAONO AU-PM320S goes for $64.99, also comes with free shipping and free returns. If you want to check either of these Amazon pages out for yourself, I'll go ahead and have the links to these Amazon pages down in the description of this video. Both of these microphones are XLR condenser microphones, meaning that you will need to have some sort of audio interface to use these microphones, and your audio interface will also need to supply 48 volt phantom power. The audio interface that I'm using is the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2. It goes for around $159. I'll go ahead and have the link to my interface down in the description below as well in case you want to check that out. And let's go ahead and jump right into our comparison of these two mics. Alright guys, so if you look here, I have both microphones side by side, and right off the bat you can see that the MAONO microphone is a little bit taller than the TONOR microphone. When it comes to the weight of the microphones, I want to say they weigh roughly the same, and if you look at the shock mounts that come with the microphones, it looks like the MAONO shock mount is a bit smaller than the TONOR shock mount. Now let's take a look at the packaging that they came in. So here on the left we have the MAONO microphone, and here on the right we have the TONOR microphone, and just keep in mind the TONOR microphone is cheaper by $5. They both come with these wind muffs that go over the microphones. They both come with pop filters. They both come with XLR cables. Of course, they come with the actual microphones and the shock mounts, which I just showed you a minute ago, and they both come with these arm stands. And this is where they start to get a bit different. As you can see here, the TONOR arm stand is way better than the MAONO arm stand. It's way more heavy duty. I mean, just check that out. TONOR actually sells this arm stand separately, and if you want to get it separately, it goes for around $40. And just look at that. Just look at the little clamp. This is the clamp that comes with the MAONO mic. This is the clamp that comes with the TONOR mic. And the arm stand is just way beefier with the TONOR setup. Here you have these like 3 metal rails. Here you only have 2 metal rails. It weighs a lot less. The TONOR one is just way beefier. And then of course each mic kit does come with some Velcro so that you can manage your cables. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and set up these microphones, and we're gonna test them out side by side. I'll be recording straight into Logic Pro, and we'll just see which one sounds better. Alright guys, so we got both microphones set up. We have the TONOR mic on the right, the MAONO mic on the left. And it might be worth mentioning really quick that the XLR cable that came with the TONOR microphone didn't seem as good as the XLR microphone cable that came with the MAONO microphone. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into this, and I'll go ahead and turn on the phantom power really quick. Alright guys, so right now we're going to do the audio comparison between these two microphones. Right now, the microphone that you are hearing is the MAONO microphone. I'm also listening to the audio in my headphones right now so I can hear exactly how this microphone sounds. And let's just move over to the TONOR microphone really quick. Right now, the audio that you are hearing is coming from the TONOR microphone, and as you can tell, these microphones actually do sound a bit different from each other. Let me know down in the comments below if you can hear the difference. Now let's switch back over to the MAONO. Alright guys, we're back over at the MAONO. I have the input volume of each of these mics set to around 1 o'clock on the interface. We're at a comfortable recording level. I'm just a few inches away from the microphone, probably about 3 or 4 inches. Now we're back over at the Tonor microphone. Let me know if one of these microphones sounds better to you, or if you just prefer the sound of one of the microphones over the other down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And now we're back over at the MAONO microphone. And I think I'm ready to go ahead and give my final review. And I'll just keep on switching between the two microphones as I do this. So in my opinion, I prefer the sound of the MAONO over the Tonor. This microphone right here is the Tonor. I feel like it doesn't get as many as like those warmer frequencies that the MAONO microphone gets. If you hear this microphone, it just sounds a bit warmer to me. It sounds like it's getting some of those lower mid frequencies a little better. It's also a bit of personal preferences, like maybe some people don't like this sound as much as I do, but I kind of like that fuller, warmer sound. I think it complements my voice a little better than the Tonor microphone. Just to give you guys a comparison, this is the Tonor microphone. It sounds like it's getting a bit more crispiness. There's a bit more crispiness to this microphone than the MAONO microphone, but I think personally, I prefer the MAONO. As far as the noise floor goes, I don't hear much of a noise floor at all. Like, I mean, there is a slight noise floor. Let me see. Let me mute one of the mics. 1 second. Okay, so this is interesting. Actually, the MAONO microphone actually has a slightly louder noise floor than the Tonor microphone. Yeah, so the MAONO microphone actually has a slightly louder noise floor. But to me, it's still pretty quiet. Like, I don't think the noise floor is a big deal at all. But personally, I think I do prefer the sound of the MAONO microphone. But I'd love to know what you guys think. The MAONO microphone is about $5 more expensive than the Tonor microphone, so not a big difference at all. But I will say this, I do like the arm stand, the boom arm stand that comes with the Tonor microphone. I think it comes with a better mic stand, but then the MAONO microphone comes with a better XLR cable. So it's really like up to you guys what you would rather have. If you're going by audio only, if we're talking about only audio, I would definitely say I prefer the sound of the MAONO microphone, but I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments below. And I think that just about wraps things up. Once again, I will have the Amazon pages for both of these microphones down in the description of this video in case you want to check them out. If you guys like this video, or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. I upload new microphone reviews every Monday. I call it Microphone Mondays. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!